his countrymen, but also his teammates at Cannondale.
Davide Vieira replaces his fellow countryman Moreno Moser. Brave bid by Moser, not to be, although he is still sitting in second place. I'll tell you what, Vieira has a little bit of a lead. Will he be able to hang on?
Doesn't look it, because the Vuelta stage winner David de la Cruz is right there, and he's gone Danny Moreno for company on his wheel. So it does look as if Spain are riding for Danny Moreno. Then you've got Rui Costa, Pere Sagan, so into the last kilometre now.
Sagan sitting fourth in line. They're just watching and watching and watching. The gradient will start to ease ever so slightly, but still it's pretty grippy, and they're spread wide across the road as Dan Martin moves up as well on the right hand side, and to his left, the riders and the top riders from the European Road Race Championships can see glory in front. They can see Davide Vieira in front. Nobody wants to fire first. There's still a long way to go, and Vieira hanging on to a handy lead.
Yeah, and you just see coming up as well, you've got Gianni Meersman for Belgium, but they have to close this down a little bit. This is, David Vieira's hanging in there, and he's very capable of going the whole way if they don't start a reaction, and the reaction now coming from Belgium.
Well, what about that from Ben Hermans? He looked out on his feet a little while ago. He's done an immense amount of chasing, and he's trying to make sure that Philippe Gilbert stays in decent position. So too Gianni Meersman, who starts to light it up on the front for Team Belgium, and also there in good shape, it's Vakoc. This is a finish made for him. Meersman will be the first to make it across to Vieira. Brave effort, but not to be. Look at Peter Sagan sitting 6th or 7th in line. Rui Costa is there or thereabouts as well. And going for the line, Gianni Meersman from Belgium has for Spain, going for it is Danny Moreno. Danny Moreno, can he roll back the years? Sitting on his wheel is Peter Sagan. Peter Sagan is sitting second. Is that for France? Has to be Alaphilippe. Alaphilippe is third in line, and here comes going on the opposite side of the road for glory, Peter Sagan. Peter Sagan, no one's going to stop him. All too easy in the end up. Peter Sagan can hardly believe it. It all came back to him absolutely perfectly, and look at the strength that he has. He had strength to spare there. He just went to the other side of the road, had several bike lengths advantage, and Peter Sagan had time to just savor that moment, because he is not just the World Road Race Champion, but now the European Road Race Champion.
We're just seeing it lighting up now, and he just followed Danny Moreno at this moment from Spain. Alaphilippe was there, Rui Costa, Vakoc. They swept past the Belgian rider. Sam Dumoulin also in the mix coming up in the right hand side, but at this stage the favourite had to be Peter Sagan, and he just looks between his legs. He sees some bike wheels, accelerates. No one else can react to that. He looks around, nice and easy. Alaphilippe close between himself and Danny Moreno for the silver and bronze, but that looked just so easy for Peter Sagan there. So easy.
Okay, calma.